What's up, everyone? Nick at 10 here. Welcome back to some more Sonic Omens. In the last episode, we tackled the first episode of this fan game. And in this episode, we're going to be tackling episode 2 of the game. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
You had an agreement, Sonic. Remember?
Yeah, on guarding the temple, not all of this. Let's go!
And also, while I'm cruising through here... Ah, shoot. I didn't see that coming. I'm going to go ahead and go on a ramble, because I was watching the footage for... What's it called? Episode 1 before this. And I found out that, surprise, surprise, I completely messed up the freaking audio again for my microphone. So hopefully it's better this episode. So yeah, sorry for the low microphone audio last episode. Hopefully things are a lot better this time.
Let's go!
Oh, what? I hit the freaking button. That's nonsense. Hit the button. Fine. Oh, what? Whoa. Oh, man, this game is so good. What? Lock on, come on. Let's go this way. Whoa! Yep, let's try this. Oh, that was slick!
Let's keep this going!
Boom! Here, no. I didn't even do that. Let's go up here. Oh, let's go right. Go up here. Ah! Whoa! Okay.
Let's do this! Can't stop now!
Take your time. Back there. Oh, okay. Slide down here. Boost. Oh, that's a cool shot. That's cool. Oh, come on. Oh, we got a little blinding feature. That's nice. Hit the rail. What the?
Here we go!
You're almost there.
The signal's coming from here. Grab!
That was cool. Attack you. Oh, what? Come on, man. Give me a break. I think we go this way? Oh, go down. From what I've learned from this game, you don't have to heavily rely on using the boost. That's what I've learned from this fan game.
Let's
Whoa!
keep this going!
Boost energy. Attack you. Attack you. Oh! Go up here. Heal. Boom. Slide down here. Slide here. Come on. What the? Oh, that's it? Oh, nice. We got it. Yay. We did it. Okay, I'll take an A-ring. Not bad. They're very generous with the grading. They're very generous. Alright, cutscene time.
Hey, Tails! Do you see my coordinates? The temple is here. Can you get to it?
Wait, what?
The valley is really narrow, but I think I can make it.
Alright, careful, buddy.
Wait, you aim with the right stick? Alright, so what do you do here? So you got aim with the right stick to shoot the trigger. Whoa! Oh boy. Careful. Oh, I'm about to die already. Here you go, dude. I don't like how this controls. I don't like this at all. Oh! Woo! That was close. Let's grab this. that wasn't supposed to happen.
All right, careful, buddy.
This does not control good at all. This does not control good. I do not like how this controls at all. This is not controlled good at all. Not fun. Very careful. Boost you there. What? I thought I picked it up. Can I refill my health? That! There we go.
It looks like I can't fly any further. There should be a way to open these gates.
Let's go. Alright, let's, up here. Whoa! Okay. Careful! Easy there. Easy there.
The air defense system is suspiciously weak. What if it was really meant to keep Sonic away?
Whoa!
If that's the case, then what is Gun really
Whoa.
after?
What? Okay, there's a checkpoint. Also, what the heck? How do you take them down? What the heck are you supposed to do? Oh, you can shoot missiles with the Y button? Oh. Wish I did that sooner. Better late than never. Oh, come on! What the heck, man? Oh, what? No, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh. Well, I can already tell. This guy up here first. Thank you. Shoot. No. Shoot him, please. Kill him, kill him! No! Oh, it has to cool off? Oh, come on. Thank you. Please be yes, let's go. Yep. Okay, need the switch. Awesome. Awesome. Crap. Let's go over here. Backtrack? No, let's go ahead and backtrack, yeah. Oh, this stage is just not fun at all. So follow the energy. Follow the energy. Whoa! 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 90 more rings. 3 rings nearby. Their shoes. One gate's down. I need to open the other one now. Back this way. This rings immediately.
I think I'm on the right
Whoa!
track.
Yikes! 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 Oh, I'm dead.
Shoot!
Oh, what? I'm alive! Yay! I'm alive. I'm alive. Here. Okay, go through here. Whoa! Oh, this looks nice. Very careful to get hurt. I was supposed to do that. No. Come on. What the heck? Alright, let's see here. Alright. What do you want to do here? I just don't know what to do. Sonic! Help! Don't tell me this. Don't tell me I don't do it. Let's fly. We have to go. Alright, sorry for the quick edit there. I decided to turn my mic up a little and also see what we're supposed to do online. So, from what I've seen online, what you're supposed to do is you're just supposed to follow the tunnel. So, let's go ahead and take care of that. Let's go back and check the tunnel out. So, let's go over here. Wait for that to show up. Ah! There we go. Okay, I think my mic should be better now. Oh, come on. Alright, so I guess you're just supposed to follow this? So you're just supposed to follow it until it shows up that. Oh. Oh, is that simple? Come on! It was that simple? What the heck? Is that simple? Come on. Seriously, that's simple. Oh, whoa. Seriously, that's simple. Are you freaking kidding me? Ah! Well, we're finally done. Finally through. Let's go ahead and continue. We zooming. We zooming. Is there any brakes? Ah! Didn't mean to do that. So. Fudge. Fudge. Go back through. I don't know if there's another level after this. Before the next episode, I don't know if there's any other levels. I think it's just 2 per stage. I mean, not 2 per stage, but 2 per episode? I think so, at least. Alright, let's go back. Now we can go through the main entrance? Yeah, now we can access the main entrance. Should be able to access main entrance now. Alright, let's go. Holy crap!
Whoa! It's too windy!
Oh, the music's different now too. So, whoa, okay, yep. Oh, red ring, red ring! No! I got it. Well, that's the 5th one? Oh, dang it. Oh, well. Don't care, the stage sucks.
What are those creatures on the drawings?
I don't know, what are those creatures on the drawings? Ah! Okay. Woo! Ah! 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 Go! Go! The rings, they held this low. Go, go. Ah, crap. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, no. How am I alive? How am I alive? Go. Please, give me rings. Give me rings, please. Yes. Give me rings. Give me rings. Oh. Give me rings. Go, 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 go. Are you almost done yet? This crappy level?
Hey, I think I see a good landing spot.
This time, landing gear is all set.
I don't even care about my score. Oh my god. Oh. I don't even care. That level was terrible. That stage was trash. Alright, cutscene time. It's Eggman.
Oh, would you look at that? He's already here.
What a shame.
Whoa! What?
Huh? What in the world?
Oh, did we get to fight it? No, I don't want to fight it, this stupid plane. Aww. Escaping the... No. Alright, let's go.
What is that thing chasing us?
I don't want to find out.
Move! Move!
Ah! I can't see anything through this sandstorm.
You see, Sonic, now you get to see all the crap we had to go through. What is this thing? What is this creature? What is this thing? Whoa! The rings. Whoa!
That was close.
Ah! No! Come on! Man. Try again. What's this? There's your tornado. Okay, go up here. Whoa! Ah!
That was close.
Ah! Get the rings, get the rings. Ah! Go, go, go. Go, Sonic! Go, Tails! Move! Move, darn it! Move! Move, darn it! Whoa! Oh. Oh, 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 come on! No! No, 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 no. Oh, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm good, dude. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay, go. Go, go.
Tails, go up.
Hold on to something!
Wait.
Oh,
Oh, I thought that was an opening. Oops, I wasn't paying attention. Fly up this time. Fly up further this
no!
time.
Hold on to something!
Oh! Wait, what? What? I clipped through the wall. I clipped through the freaking wall. I clipped through the wall. Come on. Alright, let's try this again. Try that.
Tails, go up! Hold on to something!
No, no. Can we go this way? No, no, no. Okay. I guess we go this way now. Whoa. Spike traps now. Whoa! Alright. Keep going up. Keep going up. Just avoid. Just avoid. Whoa! Okay. Oh, I'm about to die again. I'm really about to die again. Just keep going. Keep time. Never mind. Alright, sorry for the quick edit there. Let's see if we can continue this time. Alright, so avoid the spikes. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Let's get these rings over here. Let's go. Ah! Okay, avoid that. Go this way. I just still can't get over how nice this game freaking looks, so. Let's repair our ship. Whoa, boy! Yo, chill! Go, 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 go! Whoa! Okay. Woo! Go over here. And zoom! Zoom! Go out! Woo! That was close. Hey, what?
I think the Chaos Emerald is giving this snake energy. Let's try knocking it out of its head, okay?
Okay, we have a boss fight, but thankfully there's a checkpoint. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, 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 okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, just shoot like that, okay. And we're also dead, great. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Shoot, shoot, shoot! Okay, you guys. Plant launches. Now. What? Oh. Shoot, shoot it! Dang it! Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it! Shoot it with missiles! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Go ahead of the shit real quick. Shoot it! Darn it! Go, 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 go. Ah! Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it! Go repair, go repair, go repair, go, 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 go. Ah! Okay, so the weak point is its head, okay. Alright, actually I'm gonna crash so I can replenish my health. I already know I'm gonna lose this fight if I can see where I'm going. Okay, tell me one thing out. Okay, so the weak spot is the head, the mouth. Weak spot is the mouth. Okay. Go for its mouth. Go for its mouth. Aim for the mouth. Don't know where it's coming from. Aim towards the head. Oh my god. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be difficult. Nice! Nice! Okay. That was good. That was good. Shoot another missile. Go. No, 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 no. Okay, go get health. Go get health. Ow! Jerk. Go get health. Hurry. No! Why? Okay, here he is. Shoot, shoot, shoot him. Nice, nice. Good damage. Good damage. Fire out, fire out. I only really want to attack him when he's shooting the fireballs. No, he's about to kill me. No more crates left. That's all of them. Crap. Go, go, go. Out of the way. No! Are you kidding me? No! I'm so dead, man. I am so dead. I am done so. Come on. Come on, please kill him already! Oh my god. Stay here, he's almost dead. He's almost dead. He's almost dead. Shoot your fire real quick. No! No! Wait, what? Oh. Okay, I got out of the way there. Let him have it. Come on. Yes! Yes! Oh my god. I don't care about my rank. I don't freaking care. That was terrible. Oh my god. That was freaking terrible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. Are you kidding me? Yes, that's right. Your eyes did not deceive you. My game freaking crashed. Technology is a pain, let me tell you. Luckily, though, the game saved after the boss fight, so when we load it up, it'll show the cutscene, so enjoy.
Sonic, look! Eggman is going for the next emerald!
Let's hurry and follow him.
Our desires, Thorndyke, turn to ashes. But this chaos, just the first omen.
What the heck? What was that? Oh, it's Big! Hi, Big!
You won't get away, Eggman!
We can't allow him to get that emerald.
The tornado will stop him, Sonic! Fire!
Hey, Tails! This area is protected by gun. Be careful, buddy.
Oh, snap.
Gun behind us!
No. Oh, snap. Watch out. Watch out. The scary robots are gonna go pew pew.
Why are they attacking us and not Eggman?
Tails, watch out!
Oh, no! One of the engines failed. We're losing speed. Sonic, hold on! Sonic? Huh?
I'll distract them so we have a shot at taking the emerald before Eggman. Cover me on top, buddy.
Good.
Ooh. Oh, snap.
Can you find where the emerald signal is coming from?
I'm now tracking the signal, Sonic.
Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, the next episode's gonna be great. Oh my god. Alright everyone, that'll be all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. In the next episode, we're going to be taking on White Jungle in episode 3. If you enjoyed what you saw in this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think of the video. And if you're not yet already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Until then, thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves an awesome day.